everyone. If you're looking for a way to pamper your hair without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY hair masks. Let's get started. Mask 1. Hydrating mask for dry hair. Let's start with a hydrating mask for dry and brittle hair. This mask is a lifesaver for anyone whose hair feels dull, rough, or dehydrated. Here's what you'll need. 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Bananas are rich in potassium, which strengthens your hair and prevents breakage. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture into the hair shaft, and coconut oil nourishes your hair from the inside out. First, mash the banana in a bowl or blend it for a smoother texture. Add the honey and coconut oil, then mix everything until you have a creamy paste. Apply this mask from root to tip, ensuring every strand is coated. Wrap your hair in a shower cap or towel and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with lukewarm water and a gentle shampoo. Trust me, this mask will leave your hair feeling soft, hydrated, and shiny. Use it once a week for the best results. Mask 2. Strengthening mask for damaged hair. Next, we have a strengthening mask, perfect for repairing damage caused by heat styling, coloring, or even environmental stress. You'll need half an avocado, 1 egg yolk, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins that deeply nourish your hair. The egg yolk is a protein powerhouse, helping to rebuild damaged hair structure, while olive oil smooths the cuticles and adds shine. Mash the avocado until smooth, then whisk in the egg yolk and olive oil. Apply this mask primarily to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. This is where most damage occurs. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse with cool water. Pro tip: always use cool water when rinsing egg-based masks to avoid cooking the egg in your hair. Mask 3. Balancing mask for oily hair. Now, if you struggle with oily hair that gets greasy within a day or two, this balancing mask will be your best friend. You'll need 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp and work it down to your hair's mid-lengths. Let it sit for about 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. This mask will leave your scalp feeling refreshed and your hair light and bouncy. It's perfect for summer when our hair tends to get oilier. Mask 4. Anti-frizz mask for curly hair. For all my curly-haired viewers, this anti-frizz mask is a game changer. It's designed to enhance your curls, reduce frizz, and keep your hair soft. Here's what you'll need. 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Coconut milk is amazing for detangling and softening curls. Honey provides that smooth, frizz-free finish, and castor oil defines your curls and promotes growth. Combine these ingredients and apply the mixture generously to damp hair. Focus on the ends where frizz is most common. Wrap your hair in a towel and let the mask work for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and style as usual. Mask 5. Scalp detox mask for all hair types. And finally, a scalp detox mask that's perfect for all hair types. A healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. For this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of water. Bentonite clay removes toxins and buildup from the scalp. Apple cider vinegar balances your scalp's pH and fights dandruff. Water helps create the right consistency. Mix these ingredients in a non-metal bowl to avoid a reaction with the clay. Apply it directly to your scalp using your fingers or a brush. Leave it on for 15 minutes, you'll feel it drying and tightening, which is normal. Rinse thoroughly with water and follow up with a conditioner. This mask is great for anyone dealing with product buildup or an itchy scalp. Use it once a month for a deep cleanse. And there you have it, 5 simple, effective, and natural DIY hair masks for every hair type and concern. Whether your hair needs hydration, repair, balance, frizz control, or detox, these masks have got you covered. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magic World for more hair care tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and remember, happy hair, happy you.